there is no like
We do nothing. Who's Hephaestus? Who's Hephaestus?
Hephaestus?
Yeah.
I never heard of him.
Oh, you don't get knowledge, right?
I did.
If you want to make all the weapons,
Wait, oh yeah, for Zeus.
make the bow,
Yeah.
but you know all about Greek mythology, right?
There's just a lot of names I have to remember that. I know what different gods do, but I just don't remember the names by heart. Okay, this girl in my house, she won't leave. She like what she likes to do. She likes to come in here, spawn her Ford cars all over my house and stuff. She brought her friends, start with COC, something like that. Hold on, let me ask her. Let's see. Yeah. Coquetel and A-Boy. A-Boy and Alt Boy. Yeah, so Ice Panda, that kid, and A-Boy and his alt, right? They keep coming to my house, spawning their cars, they won't leave, and stuff. I try trapping them and stuff, but they keep bringing armor, like you see how she brings armor. She tries to bring armor when she comes to the house, because she knows I'm going to try to trap her, so I'm just trying to get her out of my house and stuff. Because she just likes to come in and breathe my house. You know, just spawn arrows all over my house, spawn cars and everything, trash talk in my own house and stuff. Give me like guys, like, I don't know, Caker from the game or something, add a AS deny, you know, like what we used to have for the plots or something. Because I think this will be like very useful for these kind of people in the house that just won't leave and stuff.
Subtle thoughts or actions